My dash wasn't ready. I was supposed to side dash. That's it. No.
Let's go, Lucas. Let's go. You can't hit off of that one. You have to do a down slam. Don't go up to him and do a move. Just wait for him to get back up. Okay, I'm gonna kill this kid if he interrupts him. Okay, yeah. Come on, come at me. Come on. Come on. Hey, come on. Let's go. Hey, come on. Bro.
Bro, what is this kid doing? Yeah, I don't think he's doing something.
Yo, oh my god, bro.
Yes! Yes, I did it! I did the run! I did the run! Oh my gosh! 49 to 100.
Bro might have
finally.
lagged out.
I just did 49 to 100, Christian.
Good job. Okay, bro, this guy's actually so laggy,
Yay!
bro.
Yay!
49 to 100?
49 to 100, yeah.
I thought you said 48 to 100.
What?
49, I mean 8, 4.
Y'all know, hold on, wait. Y'all know, y'all.
Go, give me, go, give me, go!
Shut the fuck up! Shut up!